Hey everyone, Lewis here for Pixel Surplus, and today I'm going to show you how to load brushes for both Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. If you're looking for some incredible brushes to use for your new designs, be sure to check out Pixel Surplus where we've got loads of options, like Illustrator Brushes Superset. In this collection, it comes with 230 diverse Illustrator brushes. Andrew Pixel, the creator of these brushes, sourced all of them from real-life brushes, which gives them authentic feel and extra oomph to your artwork. Be sure to pick these bad boys up today. Link can be found in the description below. First, let's begin by loading in our brushes on Adobe Illustrator. Launch Adobe Illustrator, and let's create a new blank file. I'm just going to create a web file, 1920 by 1080. Once we have our file open, we're going to need to open up the Brushes panel. You can do this by heading to Window and Brushes. With your Brushes panel now open, head to the hamburger menu in the top right hand corner, open Brush Library, and choose Other Libraries. Now navigate to the folder where you saved your brushes that you downloaded from Pixel Surplus. Select the brushes that you wish to install, and click Open. Just note that if you're on Mac, this will look different, but the process is the same. You should now see your brand new brush library with all of your fantastic brushes. With one of your brushes selected, hit B on your keyboard to access the brush tool and begin painting on your artboard. Now let's import brushes into Photoshop. If you're in the market for Photoshop brushes, I'm going to point you towards Pixel Surplus. Pixel Surplus has incredible Photoshop brushes, like the one we'll be using today. 27 free Photoshop stroke brushes. Yes, you heard that right, 27 free brushes. But Graphic Fresh, the creator, didn't stop there. These brushes are also part of a hand-drawn SVG sans serif brush font. Be sure to check them all out in the description below. Once you have your brushes downloaded and saved, open up Photoshop and create a new file. Once your new file is loaded, we're going to need to open up the Brushes panel. So head to Window, Brushes. Once inside the Brushes panel, head to the burger menu in the top right hand corner and select Import Brushes. Now, just like in Illustrator, we're going to head to the file where you saved your brushes from Pixel Surplus. Select on the brushes that you'd like to import and hit Load. Once again, remember this will look different if you're a Mac user, but the method is the same. You should now see your new brushes library inside your brushes panel. Select a new brush, hit B on your keyboard to access your brush tool, and begin painting on your artboard. There you go guys, quick and easy tutorial on how to import brushes for both Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. Like and subscribe, and whilst you're down there, why don't you click on the link to Pixel Surplus. You can get your hands on free brushes, fonts, textures, templates, and so much more. As well as the best font bundles on the internet. Premium fonts at crazy discounts. Who could ask for anything more? Check out Pixel Surplus today. Thanks and have a great day everyone.